Okay, girls. Yesterday we talked about ratios in similar polygons. And as we said that polygons are closed shapes like triangles, like squares, like rectangles, trapezoids, but not circles. They are not curved. And we stopped on example 2. Example 2 says, determine whether the polygons are similar. If so, write the similarity ratio and similarity statement. Okay, Mai said, teacher, I will choose the long ones together or I will choose the short ones together. In the beginning of our previous lesson yesterday, I told you that ordering the letters is so important. Like rectangles P, Q, R, S and rectangle T, U, V, W. Now, yesterday we said that I will choose the corresponding sides to the congruent angles. And here I have another case that all my angles here are right angles. Then what I'm going to do? All here are right angles, so all the corresponding sides will be the same. So I'm going to choose two letters like P, Q, and T, U. The first one and the second one, and the first one and the second one in the first triangle and in the second triangle. Like I'm going to choose P, Q, and T, U. Okay, mice? Mice? You're listening to me? So, PQ over TU. What is the length of PQ? It is 12. What is the length of TU? It is 16. 12 over 16 is 3 over 4. I'm going to divide the two numbers by 4 because 12 is divisible by 4 and 16 is also divisible by 4. So I'm going to divide by 4. Then I'm going to choose another two sides like P, S, and T, W. I'm choosing the first and the last letter, P and S. So I'm going to choose the first and the last letter in the second rectangle, T and W. So I put up P and S, and down I'm going to put T and W. So PS, its measure is 4, and TW, its measure is 6. So I'm going to simplify. So 4 and 6, both of them are divisible by 2. So I'm going to divide 4 by 2. It will be 2. 6 by 2, it will be 3. So now PQ over TU is 3/4, and PS over TW is 2/3. No, they don't have the same ratio. So the two rectangles are not similar. No need to continue the four sides. No need to continue the four sides. I will continue the four sides if I will have the same ratios. To make sure that the four sides, when I am comparing them, they have the same ratio. But now, from the second comparison, I got different ratios, so no need to continue. Got it, girls? Let's move to the second example. I want to know that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar or no. So step 1, identify pairs of congruent angles. So who will tell me what are the angles that are congruent here? From yesterday, I said that if I have one dash in two triangles means that this dash and this dash means that the two angles are congruent. Two dashes here and two dashes here, like two dashes here and two dashes here means this one and this one are equal. This dash here and this dash here means that this one and this one are equal. Who will help me?
So it's E and B.
E
A
and B. So what are their corresponding sides?
F D C A.
FD and FD. Look, mice.
Yes.
According to the letters, you're going to say triangle ABC and DEF. So which pair of angles are we going to talk about?
Teacher, it's example B.
Yes.
AB and AD.
Mais, you were talking about what?
I was talking about EB, E and B.
E and B. So what are their corresponding sides?
FD, CA.
F, D, and C, A. You see, mice choose what? F, D, and C, A. Okay. So F, D, and C, A. F, D is 12 and C, A is 16. Okay, so 12 over 16 or 16 over 12 according to the, if you're going to choose from the second triangle over the first triangle, so you're going to continue like this. You understand, mice? If you're going to choose the sides from the second triangle over the sides from the first triangle, you're going to continue this comparison in all the comparisons. You understand, mice? Yeah, you choose the second over the first. So in the second triangle, in the second comparison, you're going to choose the second over the third, over the first. In the third comparison, you're going to choose the second over the first. Got it, girls, or you didn't got it? Yeah.
Yes.
You might choose now DF over AC. When she's going to compare the corresponding sides for angles D and A, when she's going to choose the corresponding sides for angles D and A, she's going to choose the sides first from the second triangle, which is EF over BC. Okay, girls? Got it or no? She will not say BC over EF. She will say EF over BC to keep the comparison the same in the three comparisons.
So teacher, we choose the letters, right?
Which is what?
We choose A, B, or C, A, or anything.
According to the angles that you are comparing. But what is important, girls, and I am repeating, what is important to decide? You will put up the first triangle first or the second triangle first, because, for example, when mice compared, she put FD over AC. In the book, you see what is written? It is written AC over DF. Okay, no problem, no problem. You will keep the same, but keep choosing the second over the first. No problem.
Should be the same arrangement.
It will be opposite. It will be 3 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. No problem. It will be the same. 3 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. It will give me the same ratio. I want to reach the same ratio. But if one time you will choose FD over AC, and then you're going to choose the first triangle over the second triangle. You understand?
Yes.
No, keep choosing the first over the second, the first over the second, the first over the second. Not choose the first over the second, then in the second comparison, the second over the first, then the third. You understand?
Yes.
Aya, if you understand, give me the wrong way to answer.
To put the
Give me by letters. Give me by letters.
Okay, we will take angle A and angle D.
Okay.
It's not true if you put angle D with angle A, because we have to put it
Give
first.
me the corresponding sides.
What?
Corresponding opposite sides.
Opposite sides, which is...
Opposite means corresponding.
Okay, 16, which is A and C.
You are comparing now A and D. What are their corresponding sides?
Corresponding... Okay, D is E and F.
Give me numbers.
Okay, 18.
You are comparing what? A and D. So
D.
what over what?
A over... Okay, AD over...
Give me numbers. What over what?
Okay, 18 over 16.
18 over,
16.
no,
Why?
the corresponding for A is 24.
Okay, teacher, as Aya said, when we will put 18 divided 16,
I will
it will
I will
not
tell
give
you
us 4 over 3.
I will tell you again. I will tell you again. Let's call the two triangles because I'm not explaining in the class. It will be easier if I'm explaining in the class. Let's call it left and right. Okay?
Okay.
This one is right and this one is left. You see the cursor, right? See the cursor? This one is left and this one, this one is right and this one is left. E, D, F is right and A, B, C is left. Okay? Okay? Or you want to call it 1 and 2? 1 and 2 is easier?
1 and 2 easier.
1 and 2 is easier. Okay. So A, B, C is triangle 1 and E, D, F is triangle 2. Okay? Okay. So angle A is in triangle 1 and angle D is in triangle 2. The corresponding for angle A is 24 and the corresponding for angle D is 18. So I want to put them over each other. I will put 24 over 18. Okay? Okay? 24 over 18 will give me 4 over 3. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm comparing angle B and angle E. Okay? Tell me which one is correct and which one is wrong. I will put 16 over 12 or 12 over 16.
16 over 12.
Why?
Because the bigger.
No,
the
no,
different.
no.
Because it's angle 1, number 1.
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
divided
Excellent.
12
Excellent,
divided
Yara.
16, it will give
Yes.
us 3 over 4.
No,
1 over 2.
no, because as Yara said, because it is the angle of triangle 1, because we choose from the beginning to put 1 first over 2 second. Girls, we said, do whatever you want. You put 1 first or 2 down, or you put 2 first or 1 down, whatever you want, put. Okay? You put 16 over 18, okay. Type. We have another choice. If I want to compare A and D, from the beginning we said that I'm going to put 24 over 18. Type. If I want to compare from triangle 2 and triangle 1, so I can put 18 over 24. Okay, girls? Type. If I will compare now E and B, I will put 18, I will put 12 over 16. Put the sides according to what you want, but keep it constant. Triangle 1 over triangle 2, triangle 1 over triangle 2, triangle 1 over triangle 2, or triangle 2 over triangle 1, triangle 2 over triangle 1, triangle 2 over triangle 1. Got it? Got it or no? If you didn't get it, I will repeat it.
She can repeat it.
Okay, sure, I will repeat it. Girls, I have triangle 1 and I have triangle 2. Okay? I want to put up and down the numbers. It is so easy to put up and down the numbers, but it is so important to put the numbers up and down in the correct order. You will tell me I will put 18 up over 24 or 24 over 18. No, I will not put the greater number up. No, I will put according to the order that I will choose. Okay? So,
yes.
I decided, okay? You by yourself decide to put up triangle 1 or triangle 2.
Triangle
Decide-
1.
Triangle 1. Okay, so you decided to put the numbers of triangle 1 up. So put all the numbers of triangle 1 up in all cases. Even if you the numbers of triangle 1 is less than the numbers of triangle 2. Okay? Decide that you will put the numbers of triangle 1 up. Deal? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we will make it 2 times. We will put the numbers of triangle 1 up 1 time, and we will make the numbers of triangle 2 another time. Okay? Okay, girls?
Okay.
Okay. Now, I am comparing angle A and D. What are their corresponding angles? Sides.
A is 24, D is 18.
So I will say what over what?
24 over
4 over
18.
18.
Yes, why? Because I will start up by triangle 1. Okay? So
Okay.
24 over 18, it will be 4 over 3. Next, compare the corresponding sides of B and E.
16 over 15.
16 over 12. Because the
Oh, okay.
corresponding of E is 12. So 16 over 12 will be also 4 over 3. Okay? Again. Compare the sides of C and what is the other angle? F. 20
C.
and
20 and
20
15.
and 18.
20 and
15.
15.
No, and 15.
I don't want one of you to write 15 over 20.
No, 20 over 15.
Yes, why, Tala?
Because before starting we said that we will use triangle 1 after before.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because this will be a trick. If you put 15 over 20, you will get a wrong ratio. And then you will tell me, teacher, it will be 3 over 4 and all the other sides will be 4 over 3. So it is not similar triangles. No, it is your mistake because you switched their order. You understand?
Yeah.
That's why you have to decide which triangle you will start with. Right, let's now switch. I will start by triangle 2 over triangle 1. Okay? Compare angle D and A. It will be what?
18
over 24.
18 over 24. So it will be 3 over 4. Right. E and B.
A and B.
12 over 16.
12 over 16.
So it will be 3 over 4. Right. F and C. It will be
15
over 20.
So it will be 3 and 4. You see, girls, when I decide which triangle will be up and which triangle it will be down, I will keep it the same in all my comparisons. Because if I change anytime the order, the ratio will change. And then you will tell me, teacher, I didn't get the same ratio. They are not similar. No, they are similar, but you changed the order. Got it?
Yes.
Right. Let's do the last one down. Who will tell me? Let's answer together all. So we will interact all because we can see each other. Okay. Who will tell me? What are the angles that congruent to each other?
Teacher, question number 2.
Yes, question number 2.
Teacher, can you repeat your question?
Okay, I want to know triangle JLM and triangle NPS are similar and no. And if they are similar, I want you to write the similarity ratio. So what are the steps that we are going to follow to know they are similar or no? First of all, I have to know what are the congruent angles. They are given here. They didn't write it, but they are given. As I told you, the dashes, the 1 dash and the 2 dashes and the right angles.
Okay.
L and P.
Excellent. L and P, because I have
And
1 dash in L and 1 dash in P. So they
M and N.
what and what?
M
And
and
also-
N.
Yes, M and N, they are right angles. So
J and S.
and J and S, because as the third angle theorem, that when I have 2 angles in 2 triangles, that they are congruent, so the third angles in the 2 triangles, they are also congruent. So let's write the similarity ratio. You have paper and pencil now?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Great.
Let's write together. Okay, now we're going to compare. Now we are going to compare angle L. Okay, decide which triangle you're going to write it up for all the comparisons.
Angle A.
Which triangle you're going to write it up, the bigger or the small?
First. The bigger.
Big.
Okay, so the one to the left, which is JLM, right?
Yes.
yes,
Okay, so what is the corresponding side for angle L?
L.
It's P.
What is the corresponding side for angle L?
45.
45. And what is the corresponding side for angle
18.
T? 18.
18.
So 45 divided by 18. 45 and 18. They are divisible by what? I can simplify to what?
Is it 5/2?
45 and 18, they are in multiplication table 9, right?
Yes, 5 times 9 is 45.
5 over
2.
2. Excellent.
6 times 18.
So it will be 5 over 2.
2.
The first ratio is 5 over 2. Okay? Circle it, please. Circle the first ratio. Okay, girls? Okay. Nice. And Malak, I am not hearing your beautiful voice today. Why? Okay. Let's continue comparing. M and N. What is corresponding to M?
M is
75.
45.
75. And N is
30.
30. So I will put 75 over 30 or 30 over 75.
No, 75 over 30.
Why?
because it's angle number 1.
Excellent. Because I decided to start by triangle 1, which is on the left. So 75 over 30, I can simplify it by what? By 15.
9.
By 15. If I divide 75 by 15 and if I divide 30 by 15, it will give me also 5 over 2. Great. Till now, we have 2 ratios are equal. I will not be happy and say, yes, they are similar. I have to stay till the third angle. Okay, girls? Okay, let's decide. The third angle will decide whether the 2 triangles are similar or no. So now I'm going to compare J and S.
60 over 24.
Malak, what is the corresponding angle for the corresponding side for J?
J is 6.
60, excellent. And what is the corresponding side for S?
S.
Yes,
24.
excellent, Malak. So 60 over 24, I want to simplify it. I wish, inshallah, it will be 5 over 2. Now what if I divide
be
by
5.
12? 60 divided by 12, it will be,
5.
and 24 divided by 12, it will be
Wait, it's 2.
2. So I got the same
Answer.
Ratio. So the two
Yes.
triangles are similar and their similarity ratio is
5/2.
5/2. Excellent.
Teacher,
Yes,
why you are dividing with 12 and 15?
I will tell you. I am simplifying. Simplifying makes the number less, right? So
So teacher,
Yeah.
simplify, I want to make the number less. So I am choosing a number that is divisible by both numbers.
so
So
teacher, we can
so
simplify,
I
right?
just wait 1 minute. So I'm choosing a number that is divisible by both numbers, the denominator and the numerator. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's take what? Page 469. Why Judy Rashid is not attending?
We don't know.
Are you calling her, contacting her?
Yes, I called her yesterday and I told her why she's not with us. And she told me that she don't know and no one sent her anything and this stuff.
But tell her. Tell her.
Okay.
Okay, look here. Quickly, I'm going to explain it because I have 1 minute left in the session. So I will explain example 4. We want to know, determine whether the polygons are similar. If so, write the similarity ratio. Number 4, I have two polygons. The name of the two polygons are rectangles. I have rectangles A, B, D, and rectangle E, F, G, H. As I told you in the beginning of the lesson, choosing the order of the letters are so important.
Yeah.
Rectangles, all the angles are 90 degrees. Are right angles. So from where I'm going to choose the corresponding angles, I'm going to choose according to the letters. So if I will choose AB, I will choose which letters from the other rectangle?
EF.
EF.
EF. Excellent. Then if I'm going to choose BC, I will choose which letters?
EG.
FG.
FG.
Yes,
FG.
FG. So AB over EF, it will be 135 over 90. Then BC over FG. BC, what is the measure of BC?
45,
45 over FG. What is the measure of FG?
30,
30. Yes. Then I'm going to continue. CD over GH. They will give me the same. CD over GH. Huh?
which is 135 over 90.
Yes. And AD over E H. AD over EH. 45 over 30. You're going to do it after I finish, and you're going to tell me by the beginning of the lesson tomorrow what will be the similarity ratio.
Okay.
Okay, girls?
So it's a homework.
And the homework, because you have homework today.
Okay.
Okay? Please solve your homework. Please, please. And tomorrow I'm going to send you the answer key for your homework. So you're going to check your homework by yourself because I can't see you and I can check.
Teacher,
Yes?
can I answer number 4?
Have you finished it now? Because I have a
Yes.
I have a session now. But tell me fast.
Is it a similar ratio, 3/2?
Yes, 3/2. Yes. Okay, girls, continue and see you tomorrow. And please answer your homework.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.